Today, I'm gonna guide you how you can sign out your YouTube account directly from your phone or from your computer. So the same principle, the same procedure. So you can go to any browser or go to YouTube application. Directly go to Chrome browser. Open your Chrome browser. This is my Chrome browser, and then you can search my account, my Google account, my Google account.com. Okay, so this is the official website. All your Google accounts are accumulated in here. So just click on my accounts.google.com. Click on that, and then you see your Google account is here, right? So come here and again click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, it asks you to click for manage accounts. So come here and click manage account, and then you see your all Gmail accounts which is signed in your device. So for me, I need to sign out this one. So click this account, and then directly scroll down and you see the exact account you need to sign out. I need to sign out is this one, and I have clicked. So what you have to do now is remove the accounts. When you remove your account from the device, everything absolutely, your phone contact, your mail, and anything associated with this Gmail account is gonna remove, which means when you back to the same device and you resign your Gmail account, all information is come back. Remove the account. It asks you removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other information from your phone. Remove the account. That way you can sign out your Gmail account. So this is all about what I have for you. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and be a family. God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye.